Alright folks, here's Reed Cooker here. I got a salmon fillet. Fuck, that's hot. Just put it in the oven. Decided to make a video. But basically, it got a little Old Bay on it. Some olive oil to make it not sticks. Both sides. Coated with Old Bay. Baking it. 400. About 15 minutes. Let you know the results. Delicious.